Uy! Bongga! Naka-BPI credit card siya.
Yes! Alam mo ba na sa Lazada ko lang in-apply yan?
BPI credit card? Sa Lazada? Pwede yun?
Hi BPI! Pwede na mag-apply ng credit card sa Lazada? If you're like my friend who has always wanted to have a BPI credit card, today, share ko sa inyo how to apply for your first BPI credit card through Lazada. Sobrang dali lang. You can find all BPI products on their Lazada flagship store. Like these credit cards na pwede nyo ma-avail for just 1 peso. We have the BPI Rewards, BPI Amore Cashback, and Petron BPI Mastercard. Check mo lang yung email mo after placing an order, fill out the form, submit, and wait for approval via SMS or email. Once approved, pwede mo na rin maklaim yung mga Lazada gift cards that will be sent to your email. Akala nyo, porket credit card, complicated na, no? Go visit BPI's official flagship store on Lazada to apply.